We're asked which situation could be represented by the equation x plus negative 9 is equal to negative 15. So pause this video and figure out, and we're only going to pick one answer. All right, so choice A, the Latin Club's account balance was X dollars. After spending $9, so spending, I would subtract from there, the balance was 15, is equal to 15. So I would get X minus 9 is equal to 15, not X. X plus negative 9 could be interpreted as X minus 9, but this gets us to negative 15, so I don't like this choice. A cave explorer's elevation was X meters relative to sea level, okay? After descending 9 meters, so they're going down 9 meters, the explorer's elevation was negative 15 meters, negative 15 meters. Well, what I just did right over here looks an awful lot like that. The only difference is instead of saying plus negative 9, here I just say minus 9. So I like this choice, but let's look at choice C just to make sure. A football team's position relative to midfield was negative 15 yards, all right? After moving 9 yards backward, I'm assuming backward is negative, so minus 9, the position was X. So this is going to be equal to X. So this is how I would interpret this. And even if I were to algebraically manipulate this and add 9 to both sides, I would get negative 15 is equal to X plus 9, which is not what we have here. Here we have X plus negative 9, not X plus 9. So I would rule this one out as well.